Hey guys, I'm in the middle of installing the trailer hitch for the Model Y. This is not a 100% full install, and what I mean by that is I'm using this primarily for a bike rack. I'm not going to install the wire harness, which is the other part of the install that is I would consider 100% installed, is if you include the wire harness. I'm not doing that. It's just for bike rack, so it's not going to have the trailer brake and all that stuff installed. Okay, but I just wanted to point out an easier way to do this, and hopefully this won't really take me this long. It only took me about 20 minutes to get to this stage, which kind of looks like a disaster, but it is exactly how I think it should be done, in a quick and easy manner. So this is designed to kind of be a tutorial after you've already watched all the other videos. I haven't noticed anyone mentioning this, but you don't need to remove that bottom piece. You do have to remove the 3 bolts. I believe it was just the 310 millimeters that go underneath. There's 1, 2, 3 that go underneath, but after that you can literally just pop everything out and slowly just hang it over the edge like this. You don't need to uninstall this, because I last tried to uninstall and kind of unclip all these clips every like 6 inches or so, and they're kind of a bitch to put back. So I suggest not needing to do any of that. All right, so actually there is a Torx bolt that went right here from the other side that you also don't need to undo. So there you go, there's a hint. All right,